Good evening everyone, Scenery on the Cheap back again, and I'm making a start on my castle project. Now this is part one. It's going to be a few parts because I think it's going to take quite a while. As you can see, I have my polystyrene board here and I've decided this is going to be the base. And I'm going to build it up. So the first part obviously will be just me marking it out, deciding sizes and how many towers I'm going to have, how many walls, and just deciding the basic structure for it. I'll record it in double time because it might take a while. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so here's the rough plan. It's not going to be a humongous castle, more like a kind of, you know, semi-permanent outpost kind of place. With a tower at the front corner there. These are going to be the walls going all the way around. I might have like a little kind of gatehouse structure here, and a bridge leading from here to this tower, and another bridge from this tower to this kind of walkway. And all these are going to be rocks that I'm going to texture out of polystyrene. I'm also, obviously I'm going to build the base layer first, so all this will be carved with a hot wire cutter to make it look like rock. Then I will build the walls and stuff on top of that. And this, all around here, is going to be water. So, yeah, that's the plan. So just let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a like, and please do subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you next time. Bye for now.